Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I am Glory B. Ismakabudbud. I am 33 years old. I am a single mom with one daughter aged 14 years old. I am the first sibling in the family. I have one brother and one sister. My educational attainment is Bachelor in Elementary Education. My job duties in the Philippines started year 2018 until March 2024. My duties is to take good care of the children who is age 3 to 5 years old, one boy and one girl. I will teach them how to speak English. I will assist them in their homeworks. I'm also cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, washing, and ironing clothes. If the children age 1 to 6 years old, if the child is naughty, I will encourage them to play and I will teach them how to sing a song. And if the child age 6 to 12 years old, if they were not following at me or if they were not listening at me, I will tell them that their parents will get angry if you will not following me. So I will be patient to them and I will also listen what they want to do. If the newborn baby is crying, I will check the baby if maybe she is hungry or the diaper is dirty or the baby is sick. If the baby is sick, I will inform my employer first. Ah, I would like to work Hong Kong because I need to earn money to sustain the needs of my family, especially to especially for the preparation of the future of my children. If I feel homesick in during home tasks, I will I will be calm. I will not be panic. I will follow the instructions of my employer. I should bear in my mind that I need money for my family. I can give a sample song of a children's song or a rhymes. For example, I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a big, big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? My message to my employer. Mom and Sir, please hire me as your housemaid. I will assure you that I can work under less pressure and I will follow your instructions. I am hardworking and responsible person. I will be devoted and dedicated to my work, especially in doing tasks and following instructions. Thank you, Mom and Sir, and God bless.